Tired of wings that look good, smell great, but come up weak on flavor? These hot honey wings hit sweet, smoky, and sticky with layers that carry the flavor in every bite. Hello there, I'm Jason with Old 36 Barbecue, and these wings were built to level up your grill game and make you the wing boss of your table. The full recipe is in the description. Let's make some wings. First move, let's melt some butter. Most recipes skip it, but butter gives the glaze body so it sticks to the wings and it smooths out the heat and vinegar coming later. Fresh garlic and butter lays down that rich, savory base. Just heat it until fragrant, about 20 seconds. And if you want that little extra kick, finish it with a pinch of garlic right at the end. Most store-bought honey is pasteurized, meaning it's been heated and filtered so much it's basically sugar water, sweet but flat. Local honey's different. It's raw, unfiltered, alive with flavor. Wildflower, clover, even citrus. I'm using Davecky's, a small batch honey here in southeast Texas, and this is what gives the glaze its backbone. The difference in flavor is night and day. Without balance, hot honey glazes turn into candied chicken, sweet and heavy. Vinegar fixes that. White vinegar comes off sharp and harsh, but apple cider vinegar has a tang with a fruity roundness that works perfectly with honey. Just a splash sharpens the heat and keeps the sauce bright and alive. Cayenne brings quick heat, but little else. It flares up fast and fades just as quick. Chipotle powder is different. It's smoky, earthy, and that slow fire that lingers. That's the backbone of this glaze. Use cayenne for the spark, but chipotle brings the deep flavor. Here's our finishing move, fresh orange zest. Right at the end, off the heat. Those citrus oils cut through the richness and make the whole sauce pop. This simple twist takes it from good to unforgettable. Most people throw wings straight on the grill with barely any seasoning, hoping the sauce will do all the work. That's why the wing tastes flat once you bite past the glaze. Our first move here, pat the wings dry. Dry skin means crisp skin. And crisp skin means the glaze will actually cling instead of sliding off. Next, a light coat of oil, just a teaspoon or two. It helps the seasoning stick and kicks up the crisp. All right, here's our foundation rub. About 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Simple, but it builds flavor into the meat itself before the sauce ever hits. And if you want a little extra kick, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne right here so the heat builds in layers. And for the pro move, set these on a rack instead of straight on the pan. That airflow underneath is the secret to wings that crisp all the way around. Our wings go straight on the grates, medium-high heat. You want that direct contact so the fat starts to render and the skin gets crisp. This is where the wings earn their crunch. Flip these every few minutes, keep them spaced out so they cooked evenly. Don't crowd the grill, give each wing some breathing room. About halfway through, hit them with a little melted butter. It keeps the meat juicy, helps the skin go golden, and sets up the perfect base for the glaze. If the heat's getting a little too hot or you want a gentler finish, slide them over to the cooler side of the grill. That way they cook through without burning the skin. Now comes the part that makes these wings dangerous, the glaze. Toss the wings hot, straight out of the grill. That first glaze melts in and clings tight, so every wing is sticky and even. From here, set them on a rack so they don't steam out underneath. That helps keep the skin crisp and makes room for the finishing touch. Then comes the pro move, a second drizzle. That last pour brings back the shine and lays down a fresh hit of flavor right before serving. And that is the money shot. Sticky, glossy wings that hit every note. Now look at these. Sticky, smoky, sweet, tangy. Wings with real layers of flavor, not just sugar and heat. Every bite's got smoke from the chipotle, brightness from the orange zest, sweetness from that local honey, and that perfect balance of tang and heat. That's it right there. Crunchy, sticky glaze, heat that lingers but never overwhelms. Once you make wings like this, you'll never settle for basic again. Make a batch of these for game day, the backyard, or late at night, and watch how fast they disappear. So for more flavor upgrades just like this, hit that like and subscribe button, because we're just getting started. As always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios.